Signs your magnesium levels are too low, plus big magnesium mistakes people are making. What if I told you there's a silent epidemic affecting millions of people worldwide, and most of them have no clue? A deficiency so subtle it can masquerade as everyday fatigue, stress, or muscle aches, but left unchecked, it can lead to serious health problems like heart disease, anxiety, and even osteoporosis. What's the culprit? Magnesium deficiency, a common yet overlooked problem that affects over 75% of people globally. Here's the real shocker. Even if you think you're healthy, you might still be at risk. Why? Because modern diets, daily stress, and even common medications are depleting your magnesium levels faster than ever before. But don't worry, today I've got you covered. In this video, we'll 1. Reveal the hidden signs of magnesium deficiency, some may surprise you. 2. Expose the biggest magnesium mistakes you might be making. 3. And give you practical tips to fix your magnesium levels so you can feel more energized, relaxed, and healthier overall. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share a bonus tip, something most people overlook, that could skyrocket your magnesium absorption almost instantly. If you're tired of feeling drained or stuck in a health rut, this video might just be the turning point you've been waiting for. Let's dive in. Segment 1. What is magnesium and why is it crucial? Before we talk about magnesium deficiency, let's first understand what magnesium is and why it's so critical for your health. Magnesium is a macro mineral that plays a role in more than 300 enzymatic reactions in the body. In simple terms, it's like the spark plug for your engine. It helps produce energy. Without magnesium, your cells can't create ATP, your body's energy currency. Relax muscles. It prevents cramping and allows your muscles to contract and relax properly. Calm your nervous system. Magnesium helps regulate neurotransmitters, keeping anxiety and stress in check. Strengthen bones. It works alongside calcium and vitamin D to keep your bones strong. Regulate blood sugar. Magnesium helps with insulin sensitivity and glucose control, reducing the risk of diabetes. Maintain a healthy heart. It stabilizes your heart rhythm and prevents cardiovascular issues. Now here's the kicker. Despite its importance, magnesium deficiency is one of the most common nutrient deficiencies in the world. Even if you're eating a healthy diet, you could still be falling short. Why? Because modern food processing and farming practices have stripped magnesium from the very foods that should be nourishing us. Segment 2. Signs your magnesium levels are too low. Let's now uncover the hidden signs of magnesium deficiency. Some are common, while others may completely surprise you. Common signs of magnesium deficiency. 1. Muscle cramps, spasms, and twitching. Ever had a painful leg cramp in the middle of the night? Or an annoying twitch in your eyelid that just wouldn't stop? These are classic signs of low magnesium. Magnesium is crucial for muscle relaxation, so without it, your muscles can spasm uncontrollably. Fatigue and low energy. Do you feel exhausted even after a full night's sleep? Magnesium deficiency disrupts ATP production, the molecule that fuels your body, leaving you drained and sluggish. 3. Anxiety, depression, and mood swings. Magnesium is known as the relaxation mineral because it calms your nervous system. A deficiency can lead to heightened stress, anxiety, and even depression. 4. Insomnia or poor sleep quality. Struggling to fall asleep or waking up frequently during the night. Magnesium helps regulate melatonin, your sleep hormone, and relaxes your body for a good night's rest. Lesser-known signs of magnesium deficiency. Irregular heartbeat or palpitations. Your heart is a muscle too, and magnesium plays a role in maintaining a steady heartbeat. Low levels can lead to arrhythmias or irregular rhythms, which can be life-threatening if ignored. Do you have numbness and tingling feeling pins and needles in your hands or feet? This could be a sign of magnesium deficiency affecting your nervous system. 3. Sugar cravings. Believe it or not, your sugar cravings could be your body's cry for magnesium. Magnesium helps regulate blood sugar, and when levels are low, your body may trick you into craving sugary foods for a quick fix. Weakened bones and osteoporosis. Magnesium is essential for calcium absorption. Without enough magnesium, your bones become brittle and prone to fractures. 5. High blood pressure. Magnesium helps relax blood vessels, so low levels can lead to hypertension, increasing your risk of heart disease and stroke. Segment 3. Why are so many people magnesium deficient? So why is magnesium deficiency so common? The truth lies in the way we live and eat today. Processed foods. Most of the food we eat today, white bread, sugary snacks, fast food, is stripped of magnesium during processing. These foods fill our stomachs but starve our cells. Soil depletion. Even healthy foods like fruits and vegetables have less magnesium today than they did decades ago. Modern farming techniques have depleted magnesium from the soil, leaving crops with lower nutrient content. 3. Chronic stress. Here's a vicious cycle. Stress depletes magnesium, and low magnesium makes you feel even more stressed. If you're living a high-stress lifestyle, you're likely burning through your magnesium reserves faster than you can replace them. Medications. Common medications like antacids, diuretics, and even birth control pills can interfere with magnesium absorption or flush it out of your system. Caffeine and alcohol. If you're a coffee or wine lover, listen up. Both caffeine and alcohol act as diuretics, causing your body to excrete magnesium through urine. Age. As we age, our ability to absorb magnesium decreases, making older adults more prone to deficiency. Segment 4. The big magnesium mistakes people are making. Let's now talk about the most common mistakes people make when it comes to magnesium and how to avoid them. Relying on multivitamins. Many people assume their multivitamin covers their magnesium needs. But here's the problem. Most multivitamins contain minimal magnesium, and it's often in a poorly absorbed form like magnesium oxide. Choosing the wrong magnesium supplement. Not all magnesium supplements are created equal. For example, magnesium oxide, cheap but poorly absorbed. Your body only absorbs about 4%. Magnesium citrate, great for constipation but can cause diarrhea if overused. Magnesium glycinate, excellent for relaxation, sleep, and overall absorption. Magnesium threonate, best for brain health and improving memory. Ignoring food sources supplements are helpful, but they're not a replacement for real food. Magnesium-rich foods like spinach, almonds, and avocados should be the foundation of your diet. Taking magnesium at the wrong time. Magnesium works best when taken in the evening because it helps relax your muscles and improve sleep. Taking it at the wrong time might not give you the full benefits. 5. Not pairing magnesium with vitamin D and calcium. Magnesium works synergistically with vitamin D and calcium. If you're low in one, the others won't work as effectively. Segment 5. How to boost your magnesium levels. Naturally. Here's how you can boost your magnesium levels and fix any deficiency. Step 1. Eat magnesium-rich foods. Incorporate these into your diet. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, nuts and seeds, almonds, pumpkin seeds, whole grains, quinoa, brown rice, legumes, lentils, chickpeas, dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher. Step 2. Choose the right supplement. If you're not getting enough magnesium from food, consider a supplement. Look for forms like magnesium glycinate or magnesium malate, which are better absorbed. Step 3. Reduce depleters. Cut back on caffeine, alcohol, and processed foods. Step 4. Boost absorption. Pair magnesium with vitamin D and B6 to maximize absorption. Segment 6. Bonus tip. The fastest way to absorb magnesium. Here's the bonus tip. Use magnesium topically. Magnesium oil. Apply it to your skin for quick absorption. Great if you have digestive issues. Epsom salt baths. Soak in a warm bath with Epsom salts to relax muscles and absorb magnesium through your skin. Conclusion. Take charge of your health. Today, magnesium is a game changer for your health, but too often it's overlooked. Now that you know the signs, mistakes, and solutions, it's time to take action. If you found this video helpful, comment below with magnesium power. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and balanced. Star.